Welcome to WatchMon5. This is our new supervisor that is taking all the lessons learnt from WatchMon4 and bringing cell monitoring on board. So let's have a look at unique characteristics that we've developed over the last 12 months and what makes it different to a WatchMon4. The WatchMon5 is capable of up to 15 cells in series for the battery pack. It can be configured to do from 10 cells in series all the way up to 15 cells. So here is our WatchMon4, and then if we compare it to our WatchMon5. So let's just bring it across. So what you can see here is the WatchMon5 versus the WatchMon4 is very similar, but we've added on the large heatsink here to do the onboard cell balancing. So let's compare the two. With the WatchMon5, we're able to do onboard balancing, whereas our original WatchMon4, we used the BlockMons, the LongMons, and the LeafMon, and we were able to balance actually at the cell. In this case, we're bringing it all to the supervisor, and as you can see there, we've got one heatsink. But when we compare it to our LongMons, they are almost the same size. We're able to, with this system, balance at 6 amp hours per day, whereas with the LongMons, the BlockMons, and the LeafMons, we're able to achieve 28 amp hours per day. With the WatchMon5, we are able to add temperature sensors so that you have remote mountable temperature sensors so you can place them within the battery pack. This has only 3, whereas within the WatchMon4, we're able to have the onboard temperature sensors so that they're actually with each cell. Both the WatchMon4 and the WatchMon5 still continue to have the expansion board, and the expansion board is very handy for projects where you need more than 2 outputs to be controlled. So you're not just requiring a fan and a circuit breaker, you're wanting other functions. The 4 and the 5 continue to use the shunt. So our shunt mon is still out there. We still have both a 500 amp version and a 1000 amp version, and they continue to be plugged in with a serial port plugged into here or plugged into this one. The WatchMon5 is designed for the repurposing of cells from EVs, be them the Tesla, the Chevy Volt, the Nissan Leaf, the Fiat. There's so many cells that are becoming available on the market. Not only that, it's also suitable for people putting cells into holders, which there are several models where they have a ribbon. All these products, it is hard work to connect them to the original WatchMon4. So we've designed the WatchMon5 so that you can take these ribbons or your own individual cell balancing loom and attach it straight into WatchMon5 and make it an easy commissioning process.